So I had to get rid of the last video because I said some things I wasn't supposed to say. Darn it. Gotta be careful what I say. Anyway, I was mentioning how I have a urinary tract infection, how I can't take, you know, what they usually give for that, like antibiotics for it. I think it's okay for me to say that word. So I've been taking some other herbs and stuff to combat it. All right. So we have Johnny over here. We have Ego here. We have Pepper here. And where's Miss? Oh, I see you, baby. So anyway, we're going to get another top sheet for this. I'm going to pick this up and I'll be right back. All right, that's the trash. All right, so I have another sheet. I honestly thought this was that pattern, but it wasn't. So this is a shorter sheet. All right, so we're going to put this on right now. Okay, the red, I put the top sheet on. The red blanket is for them to lay on. This is for me. And I still got to put the pillowcase on the pillow. And I just have to wash my hands because I was eating some dry plums. Now, who's supposed to deal with this shit? This is what I'm saying. I got project. Who's supposed to clean this up? Damn it. I'm only one person. I had mops in here. This is the mat that is in the tub from Johnny wiping his butt on it. It's supposed to catch the water. But later, I gotta move this refrigerator so I'm supposed to get a new refrigerator, but I gotta give them the specs so they know what size to order.